estate is one of the best tax shelters for your money, and it can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. But all those losses that you accumulate from real estate mean absolutely nothing if you can't actually use them to offset any income. Every real estate investor should know and understand these rules because you don't want them to come back and impact your tax situation in a negative way. There was once a time where you could simply go and buy a piece of real estate and then use the depreciation from that real estate to offset your other income. However, Congress caught on to the fact that so many wealthy taxpayers were doing this, so they decided to step in and put in some passive activity loss limitations. What this act essentially did is it classified all rental activities as passive activities. And the reason why this is so important is because passive losses cannot offset active income. And so this limitation was put in place to stop these wealthy taxpayers. However, there is still a workaround for these passive activity loss limitations. Let's discuss. The first one is the $25,000 special loss allowance. Essentially, if you have modified adjusted gross income of $100,000 or less, you can use up to $25,000 of passive losses to offset your income. Now, for every $2 that you make over $100,000, you lose $1 of this deduction. So by the time you reach $150,000 of modified adjusted gross income, the deduction is completely eliminated. Now, the other alternatives is that you could qualify for real estate professional status, or you could operate an active business that uses real estate in your business. For example, if you have a business that needs to have an office building so that you can house all of your employees, that office building can be depreciated and used to offset your business income. Another example could be short-term rentals. Short-term rentals are actually technically not rental activities under Section 469, where the IRS specifically says that any activity where the average tenant stays for 7 days or less does not quote-unquote count as a rental real estate activity.